Hello, Rosie. Welcome to our special podcast today. How are you?
Hello, Monica. I'm good, thank you. I am happy to be here.
That's great, Rosie. Today, we will talk about something important. Many English learners have this problem. Do you know what it is?
I think I know. Is it, I think in my language first, then I try to change it to English? It is slow for me.
Yes, Rosie. You are exactly right. This is a very common thing. Many students think in their first language. Then, they translate words one by one. This makes speaking slow. It can make you feel tired, right?
Yes, very tired. I want to speak faster. I want to speak like you, Monica. Fluent.
You will, Rosie. And today, we will learn how to start. We will learn to think in English. This is a big step for speaking English well. It helps you speak more naturally.
Wow. Think in English? That sounds big. Is it hard for a beginner like me?
No, it's not hard. We will start very small. We will take small steps. Small steps are easy, and small steps help you grow big. Okay? Are you ready for our first small step?
Yes, I am ready, Monica. Tell me, what is the first step?
Good. Our first step is very simple. Look around you now. What do you see? For example, I see a desk, I see a chair, I see a microphone. We will just name things in English.
Just name things? Like book, pen, wall?
Exactly. When you look at an object, say its English name in your mind, or say it softly. Don't think of the word in your first language. Just go directly to the English word. Try it now, Rosie. Look around you. What do you see?
Okay, I see a table. I see a cup. I see a computer. I see window and curtain.
Excellent, Rosie. That is perfect. You did not translate. You just saw the item and thought the English word. This is great practice for your brain. It helps your brain connect the object directly to the English word.
I understand. So every day I can look at things and name them in English, like door lamp picture?
Yes, every day, many times a day. When you walk, when you sit, when you wait, just look and name. This is your first small step. Make it a habit, a good habit. It will make English words faster in your mind.
Okay, I will try this. I will look for phone keys, bag. This is fun.
It is, and it's very effective. Now, let's go to our second step. This step is a little bigger. We will make short sentences, very short, like, this is a book, or, that is a chair.
Ah, okay. So not just one word, 2 or 3 words.
Exactly. When you see your cup, don't just think cup, think, this is a cup. Or if it's far, that is a cup. If it is big, it is big. If it is small, it is small. Simple sentences about the object.
Oh, I see. So I add this is, or that is, or it is to my words.
You got it. This helps your brain start to connect words into phrases. It's like building small Lego blocks. First, you have one block. Then you put 2 blocks together. Try it, Rosie. What do you see now? Make a simple sentence.
Okay, I see my computer. This is a computer. It is on the table. It is on the table. I see my pen. This is a pen. It is blue. It is blue.
Wonderful, Rosie. That's excellent. You are doing it naturally. You are building sentences directly in English, without translating first. This is thinking in English.
It feels a bit easier now. Not so big. I can do this is and it is.
Yes, you can. Keep practicing. Every time you see something, try to make a simple sentence about it. This is food. It is hot. That is a bird. It is singing. This will make your English thoughts stronger.
Okay, I will remember naming things, then making simple sentences. What is the next step, Monica?
Great question. Our third step is about your daily actions. What do you do every day? Think about your routine. For example, in the morning, I wake up, I drink water, I eat breakfast. Just simple actions. In English.
My daily actions? Like I brush my teeth?
Perfect. Exactly like that. When you wake up, think, I wake up. When you go to the kitchen, think, I go to the kitchen. When you drink coffee, think, I drink coffee. Describe what you are doing in simple English.
So, when I walk, I think I walk. When I listen to music, I think I listen to music. This is good.
Yes, you are telling yourself a story, your own story. Every action you do, try to name it in English. This connects the English words to your real life, not just words in a book, but words for your life.
I like this idea. So when I eat lunch, I can think, I eat lunch. If I am happy, I can think, I am happy.
Absolutely. You are doing it. You are describing your feelings too. This is wonderful. This practice helps your brain use English for everything. For objects, for actions, for feelings. It makes English part of your normal day.
It feels more natural now, not like studying, more like living in English.
That's a great way to say it, Rosie. You are living in English, even when you are just thinking. This is the goal, to make English a part of you. So, to recap, name objects, make simple sentences, describe your actions.
Okay, I remember these three. What is next? Is there a fourth step?
Yes, there is. Our fourth step is to ask simple questions to yourself in English. For example, what is this when you see something new? Or, where is my phone? Or, what time is it?
Asking myself questions? Like, am I hungry?
Perfect. Am I hungry is a great question to ask yourself. Or, what should I do now? You can also ask about things you see. If you see a dog, you can think, is it big? Is it fast?
This is good. Sometimes I think these questions in my language. Now I can try to think them in English. Where are my keys? What is this noise?
Yes, and don't worry if you don't know all the words. Just try with the words you know. The important thing is to try to form the question in English first, before your other language.
So, it is like a conversation with myself, a quiet conversation in my head, in English.
Exactly. You are having a small, internal English conversation. This is very powerful. It makes your brain work in English. It trains your brain to make English sentences naturally. Try to do this a few times every day.
Okay, I will ask questions. What am I doing? What do I need? This helps me practice asking questions too.
It does, and asking questions is a big part of speaking. So, you're not just thinking in English, you're also practicing real conversation skills. Are you ready for our fifth step?
Yes, I am excited. What is the fifth step, Monica?
Our fifth step is to use pictures and images. When you look at a picture, try to describe it in English, or imagine a picture in your head. Then, describe it.
Like a photo on my phone? Or a picture in a book?
Yes, exactly. Open your phone, look at a picture, maybe a picture of a park. Then, in your mind, say, this is a park. I see trees. I see flowers. There are children. They are playing.
Ah, okay. So it is like combining step 1 and 2, but with a whole scene.
Yes, it is. You are using more words now. You are making more sentences. This helps you connect many English words to one scene. It makes your mind think in bigger English chunks.
Okay, I will try this. I see a picture of my dog. This is my dog. It is brown. It is cute. It is sleeping.
Fantastic, Rosie. That's wonderful practice. You are building complex thoughts in English. You are telling a small story about your dog. This is a very good step towards speaking more fluently.
Thank you, Monica. I feel like I can really do this. These small steps are very helpful.
I knew you could, Rosie. And remember, the most important thing is to not worry about mistakes. When you are thinking in English, no one hears you. So, just try, don't stop. It is okay to make mistakes.
That's good to hear. Sometimes I am afraid to make a mistake, even in my thoughts.
No, Rosie, don't be afraid. Mistakes are a part of learning. They help you learn better. Think of your mind as a muscle. You are making your English muscle strong. Every time you try, it gets stronger.
My English muscle. I like that. So I must exercise my English muscle every day.
Exactly. Just a few minutes each day. Look at things, name them, make simple sentences, describe your actions, ask yourself simple questions, and describe pictures. These are all exercises for your English muscle.
I will try to do these every day. I think this will really help me. Thank you, Monica.
You are very welcome, Rosie. Remember, thinking in English is a skill, like riding a bicycle. You start slowly, you wobble a little, but with practice, you get faster and more confident. And soon, you don't even think about it, you just ride.
Like riding a bicycle. That's a good picture in my head. I want to ride my English bicycle fast.
You will, Rosie. You absolutely will. So keep practicing these steps. Start with one word, then short sentences, then your daily actions, then questions, then describing pictures. And always be kind to yourself. Learning takes time.
I will. Thank you for making it so clear and easy, Monica. I feel much better about this now.
That's wonderful to hear, Rosie. That's exactly why we do this, to help you feel confident and excited about learning English. Keep up the great work, and remember, every small thought in English is a step forward.
I will remember. Thank you again, Monica. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Rosie. And to all our listeners, thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, keep thinking in English, and we'll see you next time for more simple steps to fluency. Take care, everyone.